In the industrial heart of Detroit, Michigan, a strange and unnerving phenomenon has captured the attention of scientists, engineers, and paranormal enthusiasts alike. The Zug Island Hum. This low-frequency, persistent noise emanates from Zug Island, a heavily industrialized area in the Detroit River, and has mystified locals for decades. The hum is not merely an industrial byproduct. Many describe it as a deep, droning vibration that resonates in homes, vehicles, and even within the human body, evoking a sense of unease, anxiety, and inexplicable dread. The origins of the Zug Island Hum remain shrouded in mystery. Some attribute it to heavy manufacturing plants, massive generators, or natural geological vibrations, yet no source has been definitively identified. Residents and workers in nearby areas report headaches, sleepless nights, and an eerie feeling of being watched, suggesting that the hum may have more than just a physical presence. Paranormal theorists speculate that the sound could be a form of industrial haunting or an acoustic portal, where the vibrations interact with the subconscious, amplifying fear and anxiety in those exposed. The phenomenon has inspired stories of ghostly apparitions, spectral machinery, and unexplained industrial accidents, further embedding it into Detroit's folklore as a source of horror and speculation. Over time, the Zug Island Hum has become an urban legend, with countless documented experiences detailing the sound's disorienting and sometimes terrifying effects. Investigators equipped with sound-detecting instruments and specialized microphones have captured anomalous audio patterns, but no clear explanation has been confirmed. The hum has also been reported to distort electronic devices, cause vibrations in buildings, and create a feeling of oppressive dread, adding a supernatural dimension to an otherwise scientific mystery. For locals, the hum is more than just a noise. It is a symbol of industrial power mingled with the unknown. An audible reminder of how technology, environment, and perhaps the supernatural can intersect in ways that challenge explanation. Whether the Zug Island Hum is a paranormal phenomena, industrial anomaly, or psychological effect, it continues to haunt Detroit residents and intrigue urban explorers. Its relentless drone serves as a chilling reminder that some sounds are more than mere vibrations. They can echo through the mind and spirit, leaving an indelible mark of unease.